occurred then. I've heard you saying that you think because of AI, there's going to be another financial crash around the corner within 1 or 2 years.
Yeah. What's happening with AI is a classic economic boom and bust cycle overlaid on the fact that AI can also eliminate a huge amount of employment, which we've never seen that possibility in the past on that scale. But a common pattern in capitalism is that some new technology will be developed, like railways, for example. Some people see the potential profitability of railways. Everybody pours in creating railways. You get too many railways built. The 90% of the companies that create the railways go bust, but then we all have these rail systems that we benefit from afterwards. So that's the classic pattern. Joseph Schumpeter was the person who best described that Austrian economist from the early 20th century. So he said, you'll get the banks will finance a new investment area. That investment produces a new technology, which causes a boom while you're building the technology. But when the technology comes online, it undercuts existing businesses and causes a slump. So that boom and slump cycle, and AI is a natural example of that. And what you get is massive overinvestment in the first instance, because everybody who invests in AI has the ambition of being the only AI provider on the planet. Therefore, you get too many companies investing. There's too much money going into it. That's what causes a boom. But then when the technology comes online, because it undercuts existing technologies, you have a slump.